Here, baby.
Come in the view, Dad.
Say hi.
Hi, I'm Melinda. I asked you uncle. It's about time we get broke. See, sometimes when I get broken.
Dad, can you get me a baby wipes, please?
Excuse me, guys. I think there's a.
O-A?
You sing your song, song.
Okay, let's sing Sampung Madaliri.
Come on, stick your song.
Okay. Say Sampung mga daliri, kamay at paa, dalawang tinga, dalawang mata. Where's your mata? Ilong na maganda. Where's your ilong? Ilong! Ilong, here. Mapuputi na ngipin. Where's your teeth? Sparkly and shiny, eh? Masarap kumain.
Excuse me, guys. Sing the song.
Di lang maliit nagsasabing, huwag kang magsinungaling.
Excuse me, guys.
Okay, excuse me. Okay. Over here, let's blow. Blow your nose. Don't shove in front of them. Okay, let's blow your nose. Yeah. Okay, now we're back.
Good girl.
Say, we're back.
Wait, guys. Need some singers on. Look, guys. This is my necklace on my princess. Mom, where did we get this?
From Julia.
Julia, sing her song. Yeah.
Okay.
Julia on the TV show.
Right. Ouch.
What?
Okay. You sing a song now. Okay.
Bum,
Sampung mga daliri, kamay at paa. Where's your paa? Paa. Dalawang tinga, dalawang mata, ilong na maganda. Do you have a flat nose? No.
Yes.
No. Yours is like mine.
Yes.
Long nose. Away!
Nah,
Pastila na ikiatagid na akong. Maliliit na ngipin, masarap kumain. Di lang maliit nagsasabing, huwag kang magsinungaling. Okay, say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye. Bum, 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 bum.
Not too close. You say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. She sing the song.
How about Ati?
Auntie.
Say Ati. Ati.
Auntie.
Ati Debbie.
Happy Daddy. Come.
You say hi.
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 How about Uncle Sean?
This is my Uncle Sean.
That's why you have to say hi to them so they can see it. Come on.
Mom. So it's some bubble. Bum, bum, bum,
Come
bum.
on. You say hi. Come on, because I'll let them. Come on. Ouch!
I see Liam in picture.
Stop. Please, okay. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. You sing this song.
Hi, Lula.
Hallelujah.
Hi, Uncle.
I go.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher.
Teacher
No.
who?
Uncle.
Uncle teacher.
Uncle teacher. No. Mrs. Lester.
Remember? Yayu teacher. Sorry. Remember Yayu teacher?
Yeah.
Yayu who else?
I'm teacher.
Yayu Pop Time.
Yeah, you popped on the teacher.
Mama Carol.
It's.
You say hi to Mama Carol. Say hi to Mama Carol, baby.
I can.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy Becky.
Hi, Monkey Becky.
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 Hi, Ate Leia.
Hi, Auntie Leia.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
You don't know how to talk.
Excuse me, guys.
What's your name?
Logan W. Story.
What's your name? Say,
Oh.
my name is.
Mommy,
Say,
let's be
what is your name?
too tight.
Okay, then what is your name?
Mom, let's see out.
Okay, you can go now. You can go.
You take a picture of it?
No, I'm not gonna take a picture. say. What is your name? There. Oh, okay. Here. Where are you? Where are you? Come here. Okay. Bye-bye. Melinda's gone now. Okay, bye-bye. Are you sure you don't want to say hi? Come on. Okay, I'll turn this off now. What's wrong? Goodbye. Oh boy. Oh boy, this one is not working, the mouse.
Can you take that out of your mouth, please?
Gee.
Why don't you listen? Come on. I'm saying it nicely, Melinda.
Okay, bye-bye.
No, it's not good that you're going up.
Okay, come here, quickly. Okay, it's bedtime now. Right?
Get going.
Okay, you wanna say bye-bye? Hurry up.
Bye-bye.
Over here.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you in the church.